Hey everybody, welcome to Miss Foodie Diaries. This is my first vlog ever and I want to welcome you guys here. If you are watching this, you are an MFD nator. You have showered a lot of love to me and my blog. And oh, by the way, I am Rishika Kumar if you don't know. So I'm just informing you. And today is Sunday and I'm going out to have a lot of fun with my friends and my blogger friends and everything. So I want you guys to stay tuned and hope this vlog goes well. Bye bye. So we have reached our destination. That's my friend Simran. Simran, say hi.
Hello. Hi everybody.
They are all the MFD nators. Say hi to MFD nators.
Hi MFD nators.
She's also one of the MFD nators, by the way. Guess what, guys? We're here before the host. And look at her face. I want you to meet someone.
Hi.
So this is Neha and she's also a blogger, Neha.
And you can follow me on Digitizing Food.
Yes, and we're here for the Sunday brunch in Hayat.
And we're waiting for it to start because we're very hungry.
Yes. So guys, we're done with Hayat and we had some really good food, beer and everything. And now we're going to the second place. I will reveal that once we reach. So stay with me and Simran. Alright guys, so we've reached our second destination, which is 7 Degree Brahos, and it's looking very nice here. Let's see what they have. Okay guys, so I'm home. Sorry for the messy hair, but yeah, so this is all that I did the entire Sunday, and now I have to get back to work. So I have a lot of work to do and I'm like really tired, but well, you gotta do what you gotta do. And well, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Lastly, I don't know what is up with me. I always do this expression, maybe because I'm just getting used to talking to myself. Like the video, subscribe, comment below with your views, bad, good, whatever it is. Don't get too nasty, okay? Whatever. And also I'm gonna be making weekend vlogs, so stay tuned for the next weekend because I'm gonna see you guys. Love you all. Bye bye.